Claude AI. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and navigate to claude AI. Sign into your account using either your Google account or email address. Check the agreement checkbox and click Continue to proceed. Set your birthday when prompted during the account setup process. Verify your phone number by entering the code sent to your device. When presented with plan options, go ahead and click Stay on Free Plan to continue without upgrading. Once you're in Claude AI, look at the bottom right side of the prompt column where you will find a choice between two AI types, Claude 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝘀𝗀 or Claude Sonnet-4. You can also upload files using the button located on the bottom right side of the prompt column. Now navigate to the left sidebar and click the Artifacts button, which will show you various useful artifacts, including a QR code generator. Click on the QR code generator, and you will be taken to a new tab containing the artifact. Simply copy the link you want to convert into a QR code and paste it into the generator.